What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Solana and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet and our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as you can see, we're taking a good first look at Solana here on the channel as requested by one of our subscribers, so thank you so much to the person who suggested it. We personally really like Solana as a project, and this is a project that we do have a small bag of. As we can see, it's got a very nice strong blue macro trend support line, as we can see here, which it did bounce off in the recent market-wide dip. We've had a bounce for Solana recently, as we had with the wider market, as Bitcoin is predominantly leading the whole market right now, so the structure of most altcoins is looking very similar to this. As we can see, we've had a bounce and now we're correcting down again. As we can see for Solana, it was in a descending wedge here, as we can see, which did break to the upside. And we did get a nice flip of the EMAs here for some further price action up to around $37 here, as we can see. We're currently back down at this macro trend, at this previous support and resistance line. Sorry, my brain today is so fuzzy. At around $28.5 to $29, as we can see here, this previous swing high has been serving as resistance recently and also support. Actually broke through this, came back down and retested it. We bounced to the upside and now we're retesting it again as support here, as we can see. We are very bullish on Solana on this channel. We do think it's an amazing platform, and obviously with the release of smart contract platforms coming all throughout of the summer, we do think that Solana is going to continue to benefit from that success as well. It's been getting a ton of adoption and lots of projects are getting integrated with it, which is really cool to see. And obviously it's been getting a lot of investment recently. As we can see, it's up a massive amount this year. If we just go back to the 1st of January here and look at the gains for Solana, it's up around 4,000%, which is a massive gain, as we can quite clearly see. At around $1.40 at the start of the year, it ran all the way to $58 before the recent correction, and now it's back down all the way. It came all the way back down to around $19 there, which is an absolutely insane drop. But that's not actually as bad as most cryptos that we've seen. VeChain actually dropped over 80%, and that we think that is one of the most quality projects out there. So obviously there's quite a nice amount of demand for Kusama, and it did bounce all the way back to $37 here before coming back to the price of around $28, as we can see. So currently Solana using this previous swing high as support, as we can see here. And we're feeling quite confident that Solana is going to recover, as well as the wider market. Obviously, we've got this blue macro trend line to fall back on. We've also got this level at around $26, which will probably be quite strong support if we break through the floor here. And provided that we're not making lower lows for Solana and we don't break through this macro blue trend line, then we do think that Solana is probably going to bounce nicely. We'd like to see it come back down, maybe retest this $26 mark here and then get the bounce. But obviously it remains to be seen what's going to happen with Solana, because obviously Bitcoin is leading the market heavily right now, and with so much fear and volatility in the market currently, it's very difficult to know what's going to happen in the short term, just because as you can see, cryptocurrency is extremely volatile, and things that can go up this quickly can also crash down this quickly as well. There's been a lot of manipulation in the market recently, so it's been shaking out a lot of new investors that have been coming into the space. But we do think Solana is an absolute quality project for the long term as well. And considering how much adoption it's been getting recently, we do think it's going to be a winner in the long term. As of today, we have been getting this bearish flip of the EMAs, as we can see here, which is one reason to be bearish in the short term. But we don't think that this is going to last for a prolonged period of time. We do think Bitcoin is getting heavily manipulated right now, with lots and lots of big institutions and whales seemingly are selling at 40k to keep the price suppressed for Bitcoin. And obviously until we get that break of 40k for Bitcoin, it seems like the market is going to be trading sideways and potentially down and up in this range for quite some time. And we don't think Solana will be an exception to this. Pretty much every crypto that we've been looking at has been trading basically exactly the same patterns as Bitcoin, apart from a few rare exceptions like Polygon. Basically for the past few weeks, So when there's extreme volatility and fear in the market, it's quite clear that Bitcoin leads the way in what's happening, because obviously it's the largest crypto and lots of people still look to it for that, basically to see what their price action is saying. So as you can see, it looks as though there's a very, very strong support anywhere under $22 here for Solana. There's probably a lot of buying pressure in this area. Anywhere below here now, we would probably anticipate that there would be a nice bounce for Solana. If it did come back down and potentially retest this $19 level, we don't think that it would probably stay below $20 for very long, just because of the sheer amount of buying pressure there seems to be here. As we can see, when we wick down below here, both times in the past, there was a massive amount of buying demand that sent the price surging upwards. So we do think Solana is a quality project. We could easily see it being $400 or $500 by the end of the bull run, which would be around a 10x from the all-time high, or around a 20x from the current price. We do think this is a quality project that obviously is getting a huge amount of use and adoption. So we're very bullish on this project. Short-term price prediction, very difficult to know, but we would like to see Solana coming up and breaking this $40 mark. If we could see a bounce for Solana above $40 here, back into this range here between $40 and $50, we would be very bullish on Solana, and we probably would be seeing further price action upwards in the next few months. Obviously, it remains to be seen with Bitcoin leading the market, but also our long-term price prediction for Solana, we do think $400 or $500 is easily achievable by the end of the bull run. So that's our video for Solana today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Also, make sure to hit the like button, as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Currently, only around 20% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more. So please hit the big red subscribe button as well. Like, comment, and subscribe to be in with a chance of winning a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.